Tay. Napaka-bitter, oh.
Isa naman sa wala dito.
Napaka-bitter mo. Walang forever.
Kain na naman tayong Jollibee mamaya. Pagdating na natin hanggang na dito tayo. Bakit din? Masarap yung lagunation nila. Masarap yung nasa Pilipino. Yung Pilipino na yung nalasa. Ate, oh, etong ano, gusto mo te? At
wait lang, ako mauna. Hi!
Hi guys! So we're here sa Apple Bus. Dito tayo sa labas. Hindi ka dito sa labas ba? So ito you guys. So andito tayo ngayon sa London. So try natin ang Apple Bus. Kensington High Street. Gosh. So ayan guys. So ito na kami guys. Ayan lang. Kami lang ang tao dito. 6 na kami. Church yan. Church of England. Ticket. Hi guys, so ito nga pala ang mga makikita. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
So guys, nag-aantay kami ng magta-transfer kami ng bus. Punta kami ng Red Route.
St. Mary's tayo hospital.
So this is the British Library. Ang tawak naman. Ay, the same Pancras na kasi yan. Wow. Station na yun. Kasama yung boyfriend.
Malapit pala siya sa Chinatown.
Oo, oh, di ba yung BT kanina nakikita? Manatay niya na ulit. Next time pagbalik natin.
Tayo sa tayo na
Dalawa-dalawa, panoorin natin. Hindi yun wax, one yun. Oh, okay.
Number 40.
Di ba nanonood ako ng ano, ng ay na yung National Gallery. Yung National Gallery. Hindi yan na yung dito ah. Ayun. Hi guys, so ito, andito tayo ngayon. Tingnan nyo naman, fully booked ang ating tour bus. So, ayun guys. So, watch na lang kayo kasi hindi ko naman alam kung saan kami pupunta. Pero sundan lang yung mapa. So, ayan.
To our left is the famous Waldorf Hotel, which dates back to 1908. The beautiful interior of the Waldorf took American hotels of the time, located in Boston and New York. The interior was designed by Sir Alexander Marshall Mackenzie, who also designed Australia House.
Malamang makatapos siguro to ng size.
On the left in London Street is the London School of Economics, known simply as the LSE, undisputably one of the world's most prestigious and selective universities. Former students of the LSE
Political
include
science.
Claire Trudeau, George Soros, Sherry Blair,
Nandito
John
yung mga anak
Fitzgerald
ng mga
Kennedy,
politician.
David Rockefeller, and an aspiring young rock singer by the name of Mick Jagger. Being part of the British Commonwealth, Australia has a High Commission here in London rather than an embassy. There are 54.
So, papunta naman tayo ngayon sa Tower Bridge. So, asa na ba tayo? Pakita ko sa inyo sa mapa. Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge tayo.
Gusto nila tita kasi nasa front sila. Kitang kita.
Teka, dali. Okay. Hindi naman ako.
Ahead to the left is one of London's most famous landmarks, His Majesty's Royal Palace and Fortress, the Tower of London. A castle which is almost 1,000 years old, it has been a royal residence, a prison, a royal mint, a menagerie, and a place of torture and execution. Today, the Tower of London is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, along with the City Park, Stonehenge, the Great Wall of China, the Acropolis in Athens, the Taj Mahal, and the historic centre of Rome. The oldest part of the complex is the White Tower, which was built around 1078 for William the Conqueror. The White Tower is the large square tower that you see on the left, the one with the flag flying. The cornerstone for the White Tower was imported from France. It was here in the 1500s that Anne Boleyn and Catherine Howard, two of the 6 wives of King Henry VIII, were executed. Only 22 executions ever took place within the Tower of London itself. Most happened on the adjacent Tower Hill. The last beheading at the tower was way back in 1747. The last execution at the tower took place in August 1941, when a spy was shot by firing squad.
So yun guys, that's the Tower Bridge. Ito naman ang Castle yun. Basta ba? Ano ka dyan? So ayan guys, hi guys, so mga 2 hours na kami nandito. 2 hours na kami nakasakay. Kumikintab lang aking to. Ba't ako makintab? Ikaw hindi. Punta nga sa araw.
Kukunin ka na siguro ni Lord.
Okay, makintab ka din naman. Oh. Pero kintab ko guys. So 2 hours na. So nasa ano na kami? Nasa
Garden na kami guys. Kasi
London
24
Tower
oras na
na
kami
kami.
dito sa London.
Nasa London Tower na kami and mag-ano kami ngayon. Papunta na sa London Eye.
Kakalagpas
And
lang namin
then,
ng London Bridge.
Mag-Buckingham lang kami and then uwi na kami. Bye! So guys, ayun ang the shore. Ay, wala na. Dito kami mag- na nagtatapos ang aming video. So, I'll see you guys in my next one. Hi guys! So we're here at the Buckingham Palace. Ilabas na si Princess Sarah. Ayan guys, so dito kami, kasama namin si Tita galing Australia. So tinortory namin siya dito. So ciao!